Guys, so it's been a long time that I never upload any video because I was so busy, and now I'm making video. So this one is one of the Filipino dessert. We call this one puto maya in my language, Bisaya language. And in English, it's glutinous rice with coconut milk, white sugar, and ginger. So you can see, guys, there are thin slice of ginger in there, but there is also one piece, big size of ginger, and underneath there are too many pieces of big slice of ginger because I done it purposely so that the aroma will become more nicer smell and the taste is so nice. So you can partner this one, guys, with coffee or tea. So come, guys, let's eat.